Hi everybody, Mr. Han here, and this week what I want to show you how to do is create a scrollable J-frame. So um, a question came up this week from a number of students about how do I get all this information onto the J-frame in such a way that I can see it when I actually go to run it. A lot of it's getting cut off. So what I'm here to do is offer you a solution to that problem. So here's my J-frame. I made it a little bit bigger, so I've kind of stretched it out a little bit, and I could end up with a lot of information on here that wouldn't display because it wouldn't show up on the screen. So one of the things you can do to solve this problem is you can create a panel. Panel is like a container, and it can be as big as the J-frame, so I can make it go all the way down here, and I can put whatever I want into that panel. So I can add in a label, and I can add in some more labels, and maybe I'll add in a button, and I'm adding them all into this container. Put a label down here, maybe like a text field down here. So I got a lot of information on that panel. It would be hard to see all this information at once. So here's how we can solve this problem. We can create a scroll pane. So I'll put a scroll pane over here. I'll make it about that big. Maybe I'll make it skinnier and just a little bit shorter. And what I can do, because it's a scrollable pane, I'm going to go into the properties, and I want those scroll bars to always be on. I want to always see them, not just when I need them. So now I can see those scroll bars, and I can put my whole panel into there. And now when I run my code, what I have is a way of seeing a lot of information all at once. So I can scroll through and see all that information. Now I can make this the size of my J-frame, and I can make the panel as large as I want. Remember, it could be bigger than my J-frame. And so now I have something that's scrollable. I can scroll up and down in order to see all the information. Hopefully this helps in the design of your program this week. If you have any questions, let me know.